Today's discrete manufacturers increasingly operate as much more than manufacturers. They distribute products, sell directly to B2B customers, support dealers, manage e-commerce channels, and in many cases, serve retail customers. That creates a complex ecosystem of suppliers, manufacturing operations, distributors, dealers, B2B customers, retail customers, e-commerce channels, and marketplaces. The challenge is connecting all of these operations without creating disconnected systems and data silos. Acumatica Cloud ERP provides the connected foundation. Manufacturing capabilities manage BOMs, engineering, production, scheduling, shop floor operations, quality, and costing. Distribution manages inventory, purchasing, vendors, demand planning, pricing, and orders. Warehouse management adds receiving, picking, scanning, shipping, and mobile warehouse capabilities. Financial management provides complete financial visibility, while CRM connects sales, service, and customer communications. But AI is not a separate application sitting alongside the ERP. It is threaded throughout the solution, bringing predictive insights, intelligent automation, generative AI, machine learning, natural language support, anomaly detection, and co-pilot experiences directly into business processes. Digital commerce extends the platform beyond traditional ERP. Integrated B2B and B2C commerce supports customer and dealer portals, customer-specific pricing, quotes and approvals, self-service ordering, contract pricing, requisitions, marketplaces, and omni-channel selling. CAT EDI Managed Services further connects the trading ecosystem. CAT provides EDI coordination, mapping and translation, Acumatica configuration, issue resolution, SLA reporting, and ongoing communications, creating an enterprise-grade approach to B2B data exchange and e-commerce order fulfillment. The result is more than an ERP implementation. It is an end-to-end business platform designed to grow revenue, optimize operations, improve inventory performance, increase agility, and drive higher profitability. With CNA technology and Acumatica, manufacturers, distributors, and commerce organizations can connect their entire business on one scalable cloud platform with end-to-end visibility and AI-powered outcomes that prepare the organization for what comes next.